So you're married?
Yes.
You like it, I bet.
Very much.
I don't think I'd like it.
What's that supposed to mean?
That I wouldn't like it, Deeds. Now, don't take offense at that, too.
Well, how can you be so crack sure? Maybe your nights wouldn't be so cold and lonely if you had a wife.
Listen! I was married! I hated it!
I see. You're probably right. Good night.
I like to think of myself as a philanderer. You know what that means?
Yes?
Oh. Well, that's what I am.
Oh, my, what a surprise.
Well, I don't doubt that it would be to you. And there's a number of other things a city boy like you would not guess that I am. Well, Sonny, I thought I'd be happy to see another person after a year to myself, but I was wrong. And don't think I'm so stupid. I didn't see that carbine you got stuck on your bedroll. And that pistol, and it's a fine one, too, got stuck on your pillow. I'd move those to a safe place if I was you. You're liable to blow your hair and your nuts off playing with yourself tonight.
Listen, you corpulent buzzard! I did not invite you into this camp to listen to this spew. Just who the hell do you think you are? What about the derringer up your greasy sleeve? And the shotgun and the sharps you have on that sooty fly farm you call a horse? Correct me if I'm wrong, Gramps. But isn't that a pistol not 20 inches from your big mouth? A Remington judging from its sloppy bulge? If you wish to plant yourself elsewhere, please go. But if you are going to squat there, at least keep quiet.
Well, I think you might be good for a round or two yet.
I don't care what you think.
You want to hear a story?